Hey guys, got to have the first creek trip of 2022. I got to go out with my buddy Chris. You probably see him on a couple of my videos last year, and man, we had a really good time. Didn't catch a lot of fish, which is fine. It's still a little bit early. This is March 16th when we went fishing yesterday, and went to a creek that we fished a handful of times last year. Beautiful creek. I mean, just look at the video. I mean, it's just crystal clear emerald green waters, and the trees are just starting to bud up, and but it looks really neat to be able to see the skyline. Beautiful. I mean, blue skies day, and real nice and sunny, 70 some odd degrees, and the water temperature was a little cool in the morning, but as it warmed up throughout the afternoon, it was really nice. But just one of those days where I didn't think we were going to catch a lot of fish, being this earlier in the year. I've seen guys catching fish in this creek usually like in early April, but not. I don't think this time of year. It's we can see the fish most of the time because it's a pretty clear creek, and there were not a lot of them that we were seeing. But the ones we did end up catching, they were definitely down on the bottom, close to the structure. In most instances, right next to the wood. We'd have to cast down, and let that water float that wacky worm right along parallel to structure and along the bank, and they were really tight to both. We didn't see hardly any fish moving throughout the waters, and usually during the summer months you'll see them, cruising from transition spots and tack zones and things like that. This this is one of those days where it's still too cold to where for they're going to be moving that a lot. So um, I'm hoping here in the next 2 or 3 weeks this creek's going to be humming, and the bigger ones will be up in there. But caught a 2.5 pounder, which is always the nice thing to do. The first smallmouth of the year. I mean, what a freaking great year so far. I caught a 6 pound largie 2 weeks ago, and now I'm catching a 2.5 pound smallie to be the first fishes of 22 year species wise. So it's looking good, and having good times with friends and everything too on these fishing trips. So hope you guys enjoy this video, and it's looking like 22 is going to be a good one. Talk to you soon. See you.
Here we go, fish on. Yep, that's a nice one. Oh yeah, this is a toad. Oh, it came off. You gotta be kidding me. I wasn't even fighting this fish, and it came off. Oh, that was a nice fish. Ah, that sucks. I was barely fighting that fish, and it barely hit me. That was probably about a 12 or 13 incher. Oh, it's so frustrating. That was a nice fish. Ah. Oh man, and I wasn't even fighting it. I was just slowly bringing it back in, and yeah, it popped the hook. Got to be up in this deep hole, you'd think. I'll be damned. You had one on? Oh yeah. Good. And it got off? Yeah. That's good though. I had a feeling they'd be in this hole. There you go, fish on. Nice. Looks like a not too bad one.
About 10 inches maybe.
Yeah, but hey, fish on, man. And that one came back and hit you second time. You know? Nice. Fish on. Good, good, good. Good way to start the year.
Feels good.
Yeah, I know. It's like, ah. It's like opening a cold beer on a hot summer day. Ah.
There you go, bud. All right.
Come on, where are you at? Ooh, there we go. Nice. This is a nice one. Nice one.
Nice.
Now stay on. Oh yeah, this is a nice one. This is about 12 or 13 incher. Nice one, finally.
As soon as you said, where are you?
Yeah. Oh, this is a hog, dude. This is a 2 or 3 pounder. Well, about a 2 pounder. Yeah, this is a keeper.
I considered buying a net this year. And, oh my God, that's a
This is a big fish.
nice fish.
Yeah, that's a big smallie. Stay on. Boy, they fight like a storm. Yeah, I got him. I got him. He's a keeper. I'll keep him. There you go, boss.
Nice fish, Bubba.
First smallie of the year. Man, that was a toad right out in the middle, deep.
Nice fish.
This, you know what? This is about the size that other one was, maybe a little bit smaller. I didn't think it was that big. God damn, that was a nice fish.
Is that your battery that was beeping or mine?
Mine, I changed it already.
Good.
Oh yeah, that's a 15 inch smallie. Man, she is plump. Look at that. She's been feeding.
Oh yeah, she's a big old fat fish.
Yeah.
You want to weigh her?
Huh? Yeah, let's see how big she is. Might as well. See if she'll tell us her weight. Come on.
That is a beautiful fish.
Nice green too, you know. I don't want to get down in there.
Take care of your phone first.
No, it ain't going in there. It ain't going in there. That's the
too darn
problem is.
expensive to be
Well, I've got a waterproof. I'll just put it up there for now. Was that my beeper or your beeper?
That's my beeper
okay.
now.
I always try to figure out how the hell to hook these damn things with these scales. You know?
Mm-hmm.
They hook it right there on their gill plate. There we go. Stay on there. 250, 2.5 pound.
Holy smokes.
2.5 pounder.
Nice one. Nice one.
Thank you, my dear. Thank you very much, young lady. 2.5 pounder. Woo! Man, that was a beauty. She's a keeper. I'll keep her. She was right out in the middle too, boy. On the pink. Well, if we're gonna catch any, he said 2 o'clock is when they just went nuts. Right about the time where we're gonna be working our way out. But he said, yeah, right in the afternoon they were on. Ooh, there we go. There we go. Fish on. Smallie. Oh, this is a nice one. About a 12 or 13. Running it parallel to the bank. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Nice, nice, nice. Man, I love this creek. They were digging the pink today. Nice. There you go. Not a bad one.
A real nice one.
Nice little fatty. About a 11 or 12. Thank you very much, young man. Thank you. Pink. Pinky pink. He was right up on the edge there too. He's going right back to it. Just running it parallel, Chris. Just casting along that side, just letting it float down. I gotta believe that jerkbait's gonna be good. Caught him right out of that dark spot right up there. Well, I'm glad we Oh, there we go. Fish on. Nice one off that tree. Nice one. Yep. Parallel that tree. About a 12 or 13. Well, maybe about 10 or 11. They're back here off this tree. Came right up off of there. Ran that parallel to that tree and it just came right up off of it. Nice. Little guy, about a 10, 9 or 10.
Hey, it's a fish.
Yeah, I am not complaining. Oh, there we go. Fish on. Oh! Oh! Oh, that was a nice one. Oh! Oh, that was oh, there we go. Come on, hit it. Oh, it's a nice fish. Oh. Right out in the middle up here, too. Oh! Oh, please still be there. Oh, this is a nice fish. Man, it was a big thump too, boy. Oh, right out in the middle. Oh, Lord. You're killing me, Smalls. That was a big thump. Damn, that was a big thump. There we go. There we go. Fish on. Nice one too. This is a toad. Yeah, this is a keeper. Oh yeah. Largy.
Huh?
Yeah. That's about a 12 or 13. That's what threw me off. It was a largy. I thought this was a smallie. Caught it off that tree back there. About a 12 or 13. Told you we'd catch one off this bank. Just didn't think I was going to catch it that quick.